today we got a Granite Voltage.
Woo.
Horizon gave it to us. Is that not crazy? We got sponsored by Horizon. So I guess we're gonna do a durability test on this. And they're starting us out with something weak, but whatever.
Yeah, at least we got something.
I don't know. It might be actually good because it is kind of, I think, the same kind of frame as whatever that clunker is. See the battery, that's weird. The furry.
Yeah, it looks like the same chassis as a furry.
Yeah. Why does it have an outcast? Is that what powers it? I need you to focus in on this right here. I'm gonna go get my special tools. So anyways, this is how we're gonna unbox it today. Ooh, that can shave something, can it?
It is pretty sharp, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, the tape. Oh.
No, it didn't cut it. This is weak. All right.
Wow, that's sharp. That is super sharp.
Do anything? Broke some that time. Oh, I broke the shock.
You broke the shock
I
already?
blew the shock out.
Oh, broke the shock. Still cinder blood. By just doing that, it broke the shock?
Well, I mean, I kind of did cut right into the body and the shock.
Oh, it sliced into the body and the shock.
Oh, and the low.
And the A-arm. It sliced the A-arm right there.
I told you it was sharp. Hey, they're oil filled.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, is that the controller?
Controller. Yeah. Yes.
That axe is sharp.
Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, well, that's trash. Gotta get these body clips off.
Oh.
Perfect. No, I can't figure out how to open
the
it.
The warranty. Oh. You need your warranty, Byron.
I know. Look at the front end of that thing. It took a beating, huh?
It's pretty tough.
Okay, trash.
Nice.
Okay, well, guess I gotta get a new A-arm and shock. Kind of sent that a little hard. I don't really need an A-arm.
No, you could
send it.
I could put a Traxxas shock on there. It'd make it better anyways.
Yep.
All right, well.
You gonna put a battery in and cinder?
We're gonna cinder for just a second.
Heck yeah.
Is that okay?
100%.
Oh, man.
Oh, that cut into the controller too.
Oh, look, it even came with a Traxxas connector.
Yeah, thank you. Horizon Hobbies, since they sent it to us, it already came with a TRX plug since we're Traxxas boys.
They knew we were going to do that anyways.
Yeah, since we're Traxxas fanboys, they already had it set up for us.
That is kind of cool, though, this little battery
Don't
holder.
give it props, Austin.
Austin.
I said kinda cool.
Austin, dude, really? This one will do just fine. Look at that battery.
That's the bashing battery.
Yeah. I'll put a set of GTR shocks on here.
He said he don't need a shock.
I don't need no shocks.
Clunker. Squatted. Oh my god. No.
I think I just lost the dog bone.
Yep, yes you did.
Yeah. Okay, well this car's done.
This car already done.
This car's already done.
With lack of shock, you lose dog bone.
Well, that was fun while it lasted.
Yeah. Bob, we don't need it. He's gonna keep them. Either epoxy or super glue. 5-minute epoxy.
Why didn't you put the dog bone back in?
Yeah, we can't drive it, can we? It's at the house, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, for next time.
Epoxied this thing because it's not worth buying another A-arm just to do this.
Yeah.
And then I put shocks on it that are worth almost as much as the truck.
Those shocks do look good on there.
Yeah.
Everything broke.
Junk.
That is full throttle.
Bro. Not even fast enough to brake.
Hey, it does do a wheelie though. A power wheelie. Oh, flipped over backwards bar. Look at you. So Byron had to epoxy it because he axed it.
But I did put, Traxxas GTR shocks on it.
Yep.
It's not heavy enough for them to do anything. It's just solid suspension.
It's just bouncing. Power wheelie. Oh, power flip. Oh, that's so sad.
Oh, you're making.
Yes, it did. What did it break?
Oh, the drive shaft popped out.
Oh, because your A-arm, your epoxy broke.
That's stupid. All I gotta do is do this and it'll go back in.
Yeah.
Or will it? Yeah, there we go. It'll be fine. There we go.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Oh my God, look at those tires.
Oh. All right, well, guys. Okay. Here, let's see if I can go up the hill.
Yeah, see if you have enough power to make it up our hill. Look at
AR. Your tires.
it come out again.
Guess we're gonna go and destroy it now.
This is like our 5th time we tried to film with this thing. Crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Because you broke shocks and the A-arm. Oh, well, the controller definitely didn't hold up. The controller didn't hold up.
We'll leave that for the kids. The kids can have all those parts.
That's for the turtles. Man,
Dude.
a terrorist in Iraq could have used that.
What is that? Where'd that pin go? I didn't
Probably
pull
in
it
my
out.
tire.
Oh, the body actually.
I think it still drive. You did a good job on soldering that. It stayed. Dude, I don't think anything really got destroyed like you thought it would.
And now I gotta buy a freaking A-arm.
Gotta buy an A-arm and run this thing again.
And puppies. You can't make this up. Everything's good.
You just saw it take a dodge. Servo even sounds good too.
Yeah. Oh, man.
I think that body saved it.
I didn't think the tires got damaged.
No, seriously, I bet there's a pin in my tire.
No, it's right there.
Oh, okay.
All right, it's good as new.
Yep, that's a new truck.
That did not do what I wanted it to do.
Uh-uh.
So, maybe this thing is not garbage. I just got to fix the A-arm and now that other piece that got hit by the axe.
Dude, it's Arrma, bro. Toughest in the world.
No, that's
How
tough.
Yeah, how dare the controller take a 5,000 pound truck. Woo. All right, guys, we'll keep you updated with the voltage.
Well,
We'll leave it out there all winter. We got the boys back together here, but Byron already, what are you doing? We got the Max out here, we got the Max Slash, and then the Furry. Byron said he's gonna try to break the Furry out here. Gonna try. Oh, Austin.
Oh, did you hear that little skirt?
Yeah, skirt, skirt. Have you got to play with the Furry yet?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's pretty impressive.
It is.
Roll out.
I don't want to roll out. Oh.
Dang. Not the tire. Not the tire. Oh my God, it's getting dark. Oh my God. I don't know what just happened, but that sounded crazy. A backflip! Fury backflip, bro! Fury backflip! This is the first 2-wheel drive truck besides the Stampede. Did I ever see backflip?
What was that?
Nice, Austin. That's called precision driving.
I think I broke it, and because it's driving.
Here we go. Keep going. Tree! Oh, what a tree shot. What a tree shot. 2 tree shots. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God.
All right, so something is kind of funky about it.
It sounds like the slipper is messed up. How does it just not shred the gear like every Traxxas car does? All right, Byron's gonna hit this one. Watch out, Austin. Oh! Oh! He was just pinned. Oh! The body come right off. Oh, his body too. Tumble. Oh! Oh! I got that on film, bro. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. It can get it. Oh. You're on all twos. Yeah, it's getting dark. Oh.
Really?
Just a leaf inside of the axle. Byron's just there's a leaf right there.
No, really.
I'm in the gear. He almost took himself out. Oh. It's still going. Dude, there's more RC car people. Where is it?
Oh, it's way different.
Whoa. There you go. Yeah, I'm getting to the point where I can't see either.
Yeah, same.
Oh, that was a tree shot straight up. Oh, you're burning rubber on the wood. The nighttime action for you guys. Yeah, you're burning rubber. I can smell it. It's not a fire yet.
Look at that. Holy crap.
That's a lot of rubber. What does that tire look like now?
No.
Oh no, it's red. It's just blinking red.
Yeah, but that was a weird sound.
Something smells bad.
That's this thing.
Is it your tire?
I don't know what it is.
Hey!